Turning your engine 1A68. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor looks as well. Altimeter look nice, no damage. Pocket in a good condition. And on this side, engines looks good. Starter look as well, no broken. This engine is NGB, no gearbox. And on this side, engines looks good. Engine's turbo, no damage. On the top, plastic cover look as well, as you can see. All connectors and injectors looking nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine 1A68.